Feeling stuck? Here's how to use example prompts in Ghibliart AI. First, log into your account and go to the example prompt section. If you already have an example prompt, then you can use it here. Browse through the available prompts and click on any you like. You can either use them as is or modify them to suit your own style. Click generate and watch the magic happen. If the prompt is not working, try tweaking it or adding more descriptive elements. And that's it. You are now using example prompts like a pro. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.